What is up, everyone? Here is Ala from Ala Loves, and I welcome you on my channel. If you also love cooking and using your oven regularly, you might know that sometimes it becomes very greasy. This is what I have today after roasting a nice paprika chicken. If your oven is also in such condition and you need some cleaning motivation, clean with me today. Our oven has this Pyrex self-cleaning function actually, and we have been using it for more than half year already, but because I have been researching the indoor air pollution topic recently, I have decided not to use the self-cleaning mode this time. Instead, I'm going to show you how to clean your oven using as natural products as possible to keep your home and yourself safe during this cleaning. So in today's video, I am showing you how I deep clean my oven using baking soda and vinegar and show you step by step what I am doing. I'm also cleaning the baking sheet and the stove top, so if you need this motivation, please stay with me. You want to remove the oven racks and let them soak during you are applying the baking soda or actually scrubbing it. This process will take a while, honestly. With two kids running around, it took me half a day to get it done. But you saw how dirty the baking sheet was. So I begin with spraying some vinegar. It's actually a mix of equal amounts of water and vinegar. This is my favorite all-purpose kitchen cleaning, and for a hard grease, of course, I use something else. I noticed that if I pre-treat my surface, it is much easier to scrub it later. Then I let the baking sheet to soak for a while, and meantime, I would love to have a nice tea. By the way, I would like to know, how do you guys motivate or treat yourself for the cleaning? I believe that such treat is very important for us moms. We need something nice and something lovely to stay nice and kind every day, no matter how much we have to do during the day. I was thinking about this and I came out with an idea that I started to be very effective after I learned how to relax and have rest. And now I don't feel guilty if I fall asleep for a nap with my little cuties. And on weekends, we have a family law, napping for everyone. By the way, if you are new here, my name is Ala and I live in Finland. I love making cleaning motivation videos and I love giving you tons of motivation to find success with your everyday routines. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on this bell notification so that you don't miss one of those videos in future. We do use this oven all the time. We roast and bake a lot and we have always been using this pure cleaning function. But now it's winter time and having the windows open for 3 hours, it's not always a good idea. And this baking soda plus vinegar solution seems to be a very good option. If you maybe know, the self-cleaning mode is very effective because the oven is being heated up to 1000 degrees or something, and all the burnt drops from your food will just turn into an ash. For this process ongoing, it is highly recommended to have the windows open and your kitchen fan running to avoid a fire alarm, and also to provide you some fresh air, as a lot of fumes will still stay inside. This is how dirty indoor air pollution appears. I mean, it's one of the sources, of course, burning. Another day, we started the self-cleaning at night, and believe me, I could not sleep good. And I ended up with opening windows upstairs in bedroom as it started to smell and it was very hard to breathe. So I will hardly recommend, if you are using this mode, do this in the morning. But this cleaning which I am doing today, it seems to be much better in terms of this indoor air pollution subject. I mean, if you buy some chemical and spray it inside the oven and then you heat it and breathing, well, then scrubbing does not sound so bad anymore, yes? But this Pyrex cleaning, you never want to use any hard chemical, guys. Literally, Never, as you don't know which kind of fumes might appear after heating it up to 1000 degrees, yes? So this is my next step. You can see I am trying to wipe off what is coming out with vinegar, and then I am adding already some baking soda to add some additional scrubbing. I was not using a timer, but I think it took me a half an hour approximately to let it soak. And then I took my vinegar mix and started to spray to get this chemical reaction. And because I was not 100% happy with this one, I decided to try with the cooktop scraper, and it gave much better result. It is not yet perfect, but it is okay with me.
Nothing can trouble me now. I will sing till I can't make a sound. Stay up all night, see the sunrise. Your secretly keep me company. Nothing can trouble me now. I will sing till I can't make a sound. Shine
And this grill rack was, I guess, the easiest task. I just scrubbed it a little bit with baking soda and it was perfect.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. Falling, 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 started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
Okay, and this is my result. I don't know if you can see it very good, but for me it seems pretty clean and I'm very happy with this. As for my cooktop this day, it was not so much greasy, so I just cleaned it with regular dish soap. I don't know why I wasn't using this solution before, but guys, believe me, this makes everyday cleaning so much easier. I will conclude this cleaning with one popular saying that the best way to clean your oven is to maintain it. But I actually think that it is not only about oven cleaning, but cleaning in general. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy this cleaning motivational video. Please have a wonderful and successful day, and I will see you again very soon. Bye bye.